What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is All Wings Everything, and y'all already know who I am. I'm your cook, Spinelli. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make jerk lemon pepper wings. Now, I got this recipe over from the King of Food Network. Man, when I seen these babies, I was like, I gotta do these. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let's go ahead and do a quick roll call. So right here I have about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken wings. And right here I have a 1/2 cup of Hunter's Caribbean jerk sauce. Right here I have a tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning, regular lemon pepper seasoning, 2 teaspoons of that Sprinkle On Jerk seasoning. Take a look at it, that Sprinkle On Jerk lemon pepper. Oh my goodness, guys, you wanna get this right here. This is some good stuff. And right here I have 1.5 teaspoons of Hunter's Texas seasoning. And here a tablespoon of Hunter's lemon pepper garlic seasoning, tablespoon of Hunter's jerk seasoning. Right here I have a juice of 1/2 lime. I have another 2 teaspoons of Hunter's lemon pepper garlic seasoning. And I have about 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. So the majority of the ingredients we're gonna use today are made by Hunter's. So let me show you what he has. This is his Caribbean jerk seasoning right here, or sauce, should I say. He has this Texas seasoning right here made by Hunter's, the jerk seasoning we're using, and their lemon pepper garlic seasoning. So guys, go over to the King of Food Networks on his YouTube channel. Check him out. He has some good content over there. Also check his website out, kingofoods.com. Check out his seasonings, man. He has some great stuff. So when I seen him make them lemon pepper jerks, I was all on it. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start seasoning our chicken. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of that lemon pepper garlic by Hunter's. We're gonna follow that up with that jerk seasoning because this is the basis of this recipe, jerk lemon pepper. And then we're gonna add some of that Texas seasoning. I know you asked why Texas seasoning, because it has that fresh cracked peppercorn in it, guys. Gives it that additional flavor. We're just gonna get that mixed up like this. And guys, feel free to adjust it as you see fit. And this is what we have. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna head over to the fryer, drop these babies in the fryer naked like this. I'm not gonna flour them. If you want to flour yours, you can, but I'm gonna drop mine in here just like this, all right? So let's head over to the fryer. Okay, so now the fryer has already been preheated to 350. They're ready to go down in this oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop them in here. And we're gonna cook these babies until they start to rise to the top. So that's probably gonna take, I don't know, maybe 7 minutes, 10 minutes, but we'll see. So while our chicken is frying, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our lemon pepper jerk sauce. So we're gonna take our jerk sauce, we're gonna add our lemon juice, that melted butter, and that lemon pepper garlic seasoning right in there like that. And we're just gonna get at a mix like that. All right, so it looks like we are there right there. So what we're gonna do is set this aside until our wings are done. And guys, it looks like we are there. Oh, take a look at that, man. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these. Man, these look so beautiful. All that seasoning on that baby. Ooh, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them in a bowl while they're fresh and hot, and we're gonna continue this saucing process. So guys, I thought I was recording, but it looks like I wasn't. So what I did, I just added our wings to the bowl, added some lemon pepper seasoning on top of it to give it that base. And then we're gonna come behind that with that jerk lemon pepper sauce. And we're just gonna put that over there like that. Oh goodness. And of course, we just gonna move these babies around like that. He think he's slick at what he did, man. I see what he did. These babies here. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and add them to a plate, and I'll be right back. And guys, take a look at that. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna come across that with our Sprinkle On Jerk lemon pepper jerk. And you just want to sprinkle that lightly on there like that. Oh man, take a look at that. If you don't have that Sprinkle On lemon pepper jerk, don't worry about it, but you definitely want to try to get some of this. This stuff is good. All right, and there you have it. Lemon pepper jerk wings. An amazing combination, man. I'm telling you, I can't wait to bite into one of these wings. I love the jerk flavor. And of course, y'all know I love that lemon pepper. I'm the prince of lemon pepper. And I know this is going to be delicious. So the measurements and the ingredients are all in the video description below, guys. So check it out. And until then, let's go ahead and get into quality control because I'm ready to taste these, baby. Let's go. All right, the best part of the show, it is time for quality control now. Man, y'all know how I feel about them lemon peppers. All right, let's take a look at that. Man, whew. All right, so let's go ahead and dig into one of these babies. Having a mixed reaction right now. Let me try another one. Oh man. That lemon pepper with that jerk. Oh man, that jerk, that Caribbean jerk sauce by Hunter's. Oh man, this is some good stuff. With that Sprinkle On Lemon PepperJerk season, oh man, you taste all the flavors. This is an amazing recipe. Shout out to the King of Foods Network. Guys, go over to his channel. I'm gonna leave a link in the video description with his channel, also to his website, so you can go check out some of his seasoning. Man, I'm telling you, this is some good stuff, guys. You gotta go check him out. So guys, I'm about to go in on these wings, so I gotta get off the camera. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything, and y'all already know I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot, and I am out. Peace.